welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore the incredible and often overlooked world of soap. You might think soap is just for getting clean, but there's so much more to it. Did you know that the earliest documented use of soap dates back to 2800 BC in ancient Mesopotamia? They created a substance from animal fats and wood ash.
In ancient Egypt, Egyptians used a soap-like substance made from a mixture of animal fats, alkaline salts, and water in their baths. Soap wasn't just for cleaning, it was believed to have healing properties. The Romans used it for medicinal purposes as well as hygiene.
Jumping ahead to the 7th century, the first true soaps with a recognizable formula appeared in a recipe from Spain. These involved combining vegetable oils with ash.
The soap industry saw a revolutionary change in the 19th century with the invention of soap-making machinery, which mass-produced bars of soap.
Did you know? Glycerin is a byproduct of soap making that has moisturizing properties, making it a common ingredient in many skincare products.
Soap can be made from a variety of fats, including coconut oil, olive oil, and even animal fats, each providing unique qualities to the final product.
In the 20th century, synthetic detergents began to supplant traditional soaps, offering faster cleaning capabilities, especially in hard water.
Interestingly, globally, the soap market was valued at about $23 billion in 2020, and it's projected to keep growing.
In Japan, a type of soap called yukitsubaki is made from camellia oil, providing outstanding moisturizing properties and a unique texture.
The concept of antibacterial soap was popularized in the 1990s. However, studies suggest that regular soap is just as effective at cleaning.
In some cultures, soap is used to wash away not just dirt, but also bad luck, making it a superstitious item in addition to its practical use.
Soap bubbles have won the hearts of children and adults alike, but did you know that the largest soap bubble ever recorded was over 32 feet long?
Soap can actually act as a surfactant, meaning it reduces the surface tension of water, which helps macroscopic dirt and oils dissolve more easily.
For centuries, soap has been celebrated in art. Renowned artist Claude Monet created several paintings that focus on the beauty of bubbles.
In the Middle Ages, soap making became a regulated craft in Europe, with many guilds being formed to control the production.
Homemade soap crafting has become a trend in recent years, with many DIY enthusiasts producing their own all-natural creations at home.
Soap is so versatile. It can be used in gardening to treat pests, and even as a lubricant for squeaky mice traps.
Some soaps are infused with essential oils, which not only provide a wonderful fragrance, but also offer aromatic therapeutic benefits. In the 1500s, the first European soaps were developed in Italy, but it wasn't until the late 18th century that soap gained popularity in Britain.
Soap boxes became popular in mass marketing during the 20th century, often employing catchy slogans and branding to attract buyers.
During World War II, soap was rationed in many countries. The government encouraged citizens to save soap and allowed them to buy only limited amounts.
Surprisingly, soap can help prevent certain bacterial infections, making it a staple in promoting hygiene, especially in healthcare settings. Not all soaps are created equal. The pH level of soap ranges from 8 to 10, making it slightly alkaline compared to the skin's natural pH.
Scented soaps often use synthetic fragrances, but many high-quality soaps utilize natural extracts to avoid skin irritation. In the 1800s, soap was often used as a political statement, with companies marketing their products as pure amidst concerns of industrial pollution.
In certain regions, specific soaps are used to mark special occasions, such as weddings, where beautifully crafted soaps are given as favors.
Did you know that some soap makers offer workshops where you can learn the art of soap making and even take home your creation?
The oldest known soap recipe is attributed to the Babylonians and took the form of a soap-like substance produced in clay vessels.
Soap acts as a natural antibacterial agent, capable of killing various types of bacteria through its composition. Some soaps contain exfoliating agents, such as oatmeal or walnut shells, helping to remove dead skin cells for a refreshing cleanse. In parts of Africa, traditional soaps are made from shea butter and are prized for their moisturizing properties in tackling dry skin.
The world's first liquid soap was invented by Procter & Gamble in 1980, which revolutionized our approach to hand hygiene. Soap can help with issues such as acne. Many medicated soaps include ingredients like salicylic acid for skin treatment.
Mind-blowingly, it is estimated that using soap properly can wash away up to 99.9% of infectious bacteria when used effectively.